The LG V30S ThinQ is not the only device with the ThinQ brand that LG recently announced, and now two of them are available for pre-order. The LG WK7 ThinQ Assistant speaker and LG WK9 ThinQ Google Assistant touchscreen speaker are now available for pre-order. You can get both from B&H, with a price set at $196.99 and $296.99, respectively. It is not yet known when the model will be sent to buyers. As their names suggest, both LG ThinQ devices come with the Google Assistant. This means that you should be able to ask speakers to do things like play music, control smart home devices, set up calendar events and reminders, and more. Both products also come with built-in Chromecast and Meridian audio technology. The LG WK7 ThinQ Voice Assistant is also a high-resolution 192 kHz/24-bit certified audio device. Meanwhile, the LG WK9 ThinQ Google Assistant touchscreen speaker features an 8-inch touchscreen and a front camera. Smart speakers with Google Assistant technology are nothing new, since Google has some of them on the market. What is more interesting is the LG WK9 ThinQ Google Assistant touchscreen speaker. Amazon has a couple of smart speaker devices with screens, but this LG device is one of the first Google Assistant speakers we've seen with a screen. As such, we do not know much about how useful the Google Assistant is with a speaker, but if you are interested in having a smart speaker with a screen to watch videos or watch timers, then this LG model is one to save. Mind.